So I've added the element of design and art line. My lines have turned into shapes. Now to finish this, I'm going to think about how I would add color. There's lots of different ways you can do that. I have a paint set nearby I can use. You could use different colored crayons, colored pencils, markers. What I want to try to do though, the reason why I'm looking at this painting and thinking about it so much is not so I can necessarily copy it, but I notice things that the artist did that I want to try to do. If I practice this myself, then later when I'm making my own art, I can always try using these techniques. So I notice how the color is sometimes darker, then it fades away, it turns lighter. I want to try that in my painting. So when I do the first part, I'm gonna paint the cat's eyes, I think, and I get to make them the color I want. So I kind of like the idea. Maybe I don't use the green that I saw in Paul Klay's. Maybe I use purple. So I'm gonna start out here. Now when I do this, I'm filling in. You notice I went right along the line first. If I go along the line, I kind of gave myself a place to stay inside of. So once that's done, then I can press down and fill it in quicker. But then I want to try the thing where I saw the colors getting lighter. So I'm going to switch to a different color. I think I'm going to try orange. So I'm going to get some orange on here. So what I'm going to do is paint inside the eye shape. Careful not to touch the purple paint. But then I'm going to go over here and do this part. And I'm not going to keep dipping my brush back in the paint. Just one more time maybe. Looked like it needed to go a little darker. But now I'm going to clean out my brush, and I'm going to try to sort of fade away the color. I did put it in the water, but I'm not putting it in the paint. Now I'm going to pull that orange paint so it fades away, and it turns lighter as I move it around. So I like the way that's looking, so I'm going to try that in a couple other places. So maybe for the nose, I decide I'm going to do red, but if I try that fading away effect, I'm going to do red at the top of the nose, but I'm not adding any more red. I'm going to clean out my brush. I'm running it over the edge of the bucket 2 times. Then I'm going to pull the red paint down so it fades away. It starts out darker and then it turns lighter, so I like the way that looks. So I'm going to continue painting my cat and bird. You guys will continue yours. So you're going to paint all of your shapes. When you're done with your shapes, you can then paint the space around the cat's head. So don't forget to send me an image of what this looks like when you're done. So when you're done, you're going to submit the assignment to me. When you submit the assignment to me, make sure you're on the assignment page. You need to take a picture with your device, and when you click submit assignment, it'll let you choose that picture to send to me. All right, I'm going to finish mine, and I really look forward to seeing what it looks like when you send me yours.